I've got a new package, just released a week ago, but I thought I'd order it with the Sean Connery collection. Once again, we got this nice Warner Brothers box. It is the Lethal Weapon 4K movie. I'm a big fan of buddy cop action comedies. I love Rush Hour. I love Bad Boys. I love Lethal Weapon. I discovered this when I was a teenager. Absolutely loved all 4 movies. I got the regular Blu-ray collection. I used to have the DVD collection. This is just the first movie, not all 4. But still, I'm glad I can add this to my collection. Hopefully they release the 2nd, 3rd, and 4th ones ASAP. Just like it normally is in the UK, this peels off. It's not printed on. I never really liked that, to be honest. Especially considering there is always a piece of art behind it. So you have to take it off to like see the art in full. But yeah, it's nice and shiny. And this is a sleeve that comes out. I don't want to drop it, so let me just stop. Here is how it looks from the inside. Very nice. Nice matte black case. Really cool. Got a nice envelope of art cards here. Very nice. Gonna open it in a sec, just after I open the 4K case. Best pure action movie since Raiders of the Lost Ark. That is a top statement. A high voltage thriller, packs an undeniable wallop. Obviously these are just reviews, but yeah, it's a really nice cover here. I'll open it in a second. This is the Steelbook. I love a good red and black combo. No, those aren't actual... Oh, they're not actual holes. Actually, they are. I can feel them. That's cool. That's a really cool touch. And at the back it says, "Dear bad guys, no one here but us cops. Sorry, the good guys." On the inside, you get 2 discs. You get the theatrical and director's cut on 4K and on regular Blu-ray as well. So not too bad at all. It's important to note the regular Blu-ray only contains the theatrical cut, no directors. I love how I open the envelope. You see this? It's like a little face looking at you. Before we look at these art cards, I'm going to open this poster, see what it looks like. On this side, you got this poster. Very nice, very cool. Obviously, would prefer it straight. Obviously, it's folded up. And you got this iconic one here. That's on the cover of my Blu-ray collection. So, yeah, that is pretty cool. All of these art cards are double-sided, shiny on one side and pretty clean on the other side as well. Now that is awesome. There's more coming. So a lot of this is behind the scenes, which I like. Let's look at the shorts there. Here we go. Classic screenshot. Classic still. Got the legend that is Mel Gibson right there. You got the legend that is Mr. Glover right there. And you've got this guy, who I believe is also in Rush Hour. So that's awesome. Also, it's hard to tell on the camera, but the eyes really shine and glimmer when you move around the disc, which is really awesome.